Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to get 2000 ads credits in AdWords. When we create a new account on Google Ads or AdWords, then Google gives us a credit bonus of 2000 rupees, which can be used to run campaigns or to promote videos, applications, and websites. So today I am going to tell you in detail how we can get that 2000 rupees credit bonus, and how to create a new account on Google AdWords. So now we start, but watch the video till the end because you will get to learn a lot today. So to create an account on Google AdWords, you will need a Gmail account. I already logged in a Gmail account. Now search Get Google Ads Credit 2000. Click on the first link. I will give this link in the description also, you can open it directly from there. Scroll down. See, it is written here, get 2000 in ad credit. You just have to enter your email and click on the get offer code. Here I entered my mail address. Now Google will send a mail to our email address, and in that mail, we will get a coupon code. So let's check our Gmail now. Refresh it once. See, we get a mail from Google. 2000 rupees offer for Google Ads. So here is our offer code, which we copy from here. Now from here, we do get started. Scroll down. And click on switch to expert mode. After clicking this, AdWords will ask you what is your goal for which you want to create a campaign. But we do not want to create a campaign yet. So here we will click on create an account without a campaign. After this, it will ask you some basic things like country, currency or time zone. So submit it from here. Now your account has been created. Click on explore your account. Our account has been created, so first of all, we go to Tools and Settings and apply our coupon. Here click on Promotion. But before apply coupon code, we have to provide our billing address or payment methods. Select account type, individual. You can select any payment method. Here I select debit card. Fill your card details and your billing address here. Now enter the amount and click on I agree button. And submit. AdWords will say to complete the transaction, but we don't have to complete the transaction. Just close it now. Now go to Promotions. Click here. Now you can add your coupon code here. Just paste the code and click on Submit. Now your coupon code has been added. You can see here. So now if you spend money for the next 31 days, then Google will put the same amount back in your account, which you can use to run more ads. For example, if you use 2000 rupees to run ads, then Google will add another 2000 rupees to your account. If you want to promote your YouTube videos, then you can also link your YouTube channel with AdWords. Just go to Tools and Setting and click on Linked Account in Setup. Scroll down. Click here. And add your YouTube channel. If you want to change the payment setting, then go to Summary. And then click on the payment methods. Here you can add or delete your payment method. You can also change the profile details from the setting. Hope you like this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.